Bitcoin first ETF. Also, we have XRP news and many are coming into this video over here, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure to stick all the way until the end. We're going to boost your mood around crypto space. Hit that like and subscribe button. And now let's begin. Do you remember the time when we struggled so much about ETFs? Well, ladies and gentlemen, one more ETF hitting the road, Galaxy Digital Bitcoin ETF, to launch this week already for trading, and we're going to see some major and massive entrants into the Bitcoin space. As they said in their press release, we're going to see start of the trading already this week over here, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, Purpose ETF gets a major competitor. What Galaxy stated also is they actually want diversification when it comes to investment. We all know where the dollar is, we all know where the fiat money is, and as MicroStrategy, as MoneyGram, and many other investment firms that came into the Bitcoin space, they also want diversification. And I also would recommend you to search for some diversification, especially if you're new in the space. You should do your own research. Always do not listen to me or anyone else, but definitely you need to have some of the Bitcoins and some of also other altcoins, why not, into your portfolio. Diversify when it comes to the traditional markets if you're also only in them. The SY Galaxy Bitcoin ETF offers a simple and secure access point for traditional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. So this is one of the things that is going to bring us more people into the space, much more money into the space. Slowly but surely we are seeing one firm after the another, one Bitcoin ETF after the another, and much more money pump into the our space over here, into the your bags. Actually, as you can see, we discussed about the Bitcoin analysis in the previous video today. Make sure to check out that video, we just uploaded it. So in this video we're just going to do the news over here, but nevertheless check out that video if you're interested in the Bitcoin price. Also, I need to mention, when we discussed about this consolidation over here in the Bitcoin, you need to check out actually our previous video. We discussed about Grayscale, we discussed about MicroStrategy. They were all accumulating in that area because they knew the next thing that is going to happen is the spike. And as you can see, we have Grayscale Investment BTC Premium over here, the chart. It goes pretty well for now. One more positive news are coming from my place, my current place. I'm not Norwegian, but I am Serbian who lives in Norway. Norwegian investment firm allocates 58 million to Bitcoin and crypto ventures. I mean, Norwegians are like more skeptical. Personally, I discussed about many of them with this about Bitcoin and everything. They also think, you know, like dumb money would think about it. It's too volatile, it's too this, it's too that, bureaucrats and stuff like that. But nevertheless, we are seeing you know, turn of event over here. Aker ASA, a 6 billion Oslo bourse listed holding company, they invested so $58 million to allocate for the Bitcoin and crypto. So they are seeing also something that many people don't actually, and they are going to benefit from this most probably. Their money from the reason why they are so rich and everything, you know, they are investing their money too much on the American and world scale, global scale, you know, when it comes to the shares, when it comes to the bonds, whatever. They even have a lot of money into the Apple stocks, and I do believe that the Bitcoin and crypto space, they see something that many people don't. So this is very good. As they said over here on tweet, today we announced the launch of CT. We are a new company in the Aker group and will invest in exciting projects and companies throughout the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin is our treasury asset. Our first purchase was 1,170 BTC, and our strategy is to hodl. This is also my recommendation to all of you, not only Bitcoin but also some very valid cryptocurrencies out there. So with the launch of CD, the Aker group makes another move into software and fintech. We are very excited about the industrial opportunities that will be unlocked by Bitcoin and blockchain technology, and want to contribute forcefully to that effort. I promise you, ladies and gentlemen, that we are going to slowly follow every single step of success of cryptocurrency space and Bitcoin, and I hope you are also an investor in this space and that you are gaining something. Make sure to always be educated. Hit that like and subscribe button over here, and we're going to bring you more news. Now, when it comes to the more news over here, ladies and gentlemen, we have something interesting. PayPal purchases digital asset security firm Curv. So this Curv over here, this is one of the very successful firm into the Israel, I think. Yeah, Israeli-based digital asset security firm, and I did a little bit typing on the Google, and as you can see, the institutional standard for digital asset security, a cloud-based wallet that gives you bulletproof protection, instant availability, and total autonomy over all your digital assets, powered by revolutionary cryptography. So it seems like that the PayPal, I'm not sure what they want to do with this, but it could very be to, you know, improve their stake, you know, their security maybe towards their wallets in crypto space, the cryptocurrency they're holding for the people, because as you know, you cannot withdraw cryptocurrencies from PayPal, as I know for now, but nevertheless, they may actually improve their wallets or security since they're very new in the space over here. According to a PayPal, the firm purchased Curv as part of its initiative. They said it sold between $200 and $300 million, but CNBC reporting on Monday that the deals is worth less than 200,000 million. Nevertheless, that it seems like that the PayPal does not care. They just give money because they know this space could bring them a lot of money, as many others. So as you can see, they said they are impressed with their team, they're impressed with their entrepreneurial spirit and thinking behind the technology they've built in the last few years. So it seems like they were following them pretty neatly. They were following most probably whole crypto space for a long period of time. If you ask me, actually we have some Curv in our portfolio over here. We bought some of them, I think. Yeah, this is the Curv CRV Terra USD. We're trading it over here, but nevertheless we're not trading by the fundamentals. It's very good news to see that the Curv is still doing something, and most probably we're going to see some spike of the Curv. Switching to the next one, now we are traveling to the Southeast Asia. First Bitcoin fund launches to meet local institutional demand in Malaysia. Malaysia wants to become first one available for the institutional crypto products available in Southeast Asia region. This is very important. The investment vehicles also offers insurance coverage and underwriting for public offering security insurance. Fund manager Sabi Wampet explained. BJBFI is a security insured and regulator platform where investors can get exposure to the digital assets industry. Investors get to benefit from our expertise in the financial, technical, and security aspects of Bitcoin investments, as well as enter this class with a peace of mind without any challenges or risk in directly handling the digital assets. So pretty much classic fund, but nevertheless very important fund for the Southeast Asia, because we're going to see much more people pouring money into the space, especially those who wanted to invest from Asia, but they had no clue about how to do that. They didn't know how to use wallet. They didn't know how to use their card to actually buy Bitcoin. They most probably don't have their own decentralized banks or whatever. Nevertheless, here is one of the way to just go give money and get your Bitcoin, and also the custodian for the Bitcoin, to, you know, not to lose your passphrase or your key or whatever. Very, very, very positive and bullish news for the Bitcoin and crypto space in general, because in the future we may see other cryptocurrency, because most probably we're going to see Ethereum first, and after that other cryptocurrencies listing on such a funds in the Asia. Switching to the next one, we have something interesting over here. Ripple and MoneyGram to win down partnership. If you remember those episodes when we discussed about Ripple, you know, finishing up with their partnerships because MoneyGram declined to continue their collaboration with the Ripple, it seems like that now they are expressing their feelings. They want to continue with this collaboration when everything settles down, you know, when this things with lawmakers is done, when it comes to the lawsuit that it follows Ripple over here. They want to continue collaboration with them because, as you know, billions of dollars are going through the Ripple net over here. Garlinghouse noted that together Ripple and MoneyGram International processed billions of dollars through Ripple's RippleNet and on-demand liquidity ODL services stating, while the lack of a crypto regulatory framework has needlessly muddied the waters for US businesses and consumers, there's no denying what Ripple and MGI have achieved together. That's why I say this isn't just bad for Ripple, it's bad for crypto broadly here in the United States, and it's driving that activity, it's driving that entrepreneurial activity outside the United States. I mean, he has right on some point, but as you can see, MoneyGram in this case scenario don't care about that. They just want distance right now until lawsuit is in place. But after that, if everything is right at the end, they are going to continue most probably collaboration with the XRP. We have more bullish news from Europe. In this case scenario, we are already covering third continent. Major Swiss retail set to debut Bitcoin gift cards. This is in Switzerland, so they are giving away, I think, from 100 to 535 crypto now voucher cards, and they will be available in 3 different variants. So this is very good to see. Now it's very important that these vouchers get the real people. When I say the real people, vouchers for people who don't know what Bitcoin is, because this over here is perfectly good marketing for cryptocurrency space and for the Bitcoin. And me personally, I wouldn't go there to grab my $100 worth of Bitcoin, because I could have done that with just shilling some shitcoin that I got on my email. I would rather give someone else to get known with the crypto space and Bitcoin, and furthermore they're going to enter maybe crypto space in general later, or gonna tell them that their friends, hey, I got this is the Bitcoin, this is the crypto, what is that? And then that's how you spread the world around. This is the good marketing for the Bitcoin. We all know that Switzerland has some money, so why not to give it away in the form of Bitcoin, right? Very good marketing for the Bitcoin. Switching to the last news for today, which could be very important, decentralized esports tournament series looks to bring traditional gamers to crypto. I was discussing about this many months ago, about the crypto space and the gaming space, because me personally, I'm most probably going to open one more channel for gaming and stuff like that. I have this machine that could run everything, so we can do every single game that you want and maybe connect crypto with it. Why not? It's good advertise, it's good money maker for everybody. Nevertheless, I think that the gamers would be very interesting in this form of money. It's much easier to receive it and get it, and to maybe win it, and to bet in it, to go on tournaments for it. Very good move over here. Non-fungible token focused investment firm Polyant Games is launching a new online tournament to introduce mainstream gamers to the crypto space. So this is also something similar like the previous news over here. Again, a good advertise for crypto space. This is how many people are also entering the space, just hear from someone or read from someone's post or whatever, like I did on the Facebook, and there here I am, boom, in a crypto space in some good profits already for 3 years. In an announcement today, Polyant Games said it would be partnered with esport tournament platform Community Gaming for a 100,000 series featuring games using non-fungible tokens or NFTs that are very popular right now, as you know. The marriage between decentralized technology and gaming will be one of the most significant themes of the coming decade, said Craig Russo, co-founder of Polyant Games. Our work with community gaming on this brand new decentralized tournament series serves as a major step towards bringing mainstream adoption to this new industry. As I told you, that's the case and that's the goal over here. Let me know in the comment section down below, are you a gamer or do you have any connection with the crypto space, and which connection? I would like to know that. I think this is it for today. We have a bunch of positive news together with the positive price action on the Bitcoin, and most of the altcoins are in green today. We're going to follow price and going to do technical analysis in the next videos or so. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos. Hit that like, subscribe button, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.